Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. Today I would like to share with you how to create new category on Discord. So first go to Discord and then tap your Discord server setting, and then from here tap create category and then name your category and then tap create. So your new category is created. So yeah, and if you want to create your category and save it as a private so that your only people can see your category, so just create category and name your category, and after that just click the private category switch and then tap next and pick a member which can see your private category, and then tap create. So and then save it as a private. So this is how you can create your category. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.